hello viewers. We just want to show our appreciation. We just want to thank you. We just want to take a moment to thank y'all for watching our videos, subscribing to our channel, giving us feedback in the comments section. Continue to do that. We really appreciate it. But we are celebrating 25 subscribers, and that is y'all. Thank you so much again and again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Bogo. He's usually behind the scenes doing safety stuff and helping out with cameras as well. And then Zach's not here today with us, but he's usually helping out also filming. He's our human tripod. Amazing guy, amazing videographer. He's great. We'll put a picture of him right here. You can see it. I know you can because I'm gonna put it right now. Awesome. We love y'all. Thank y'all. And keep watching our videos, keep supporting us, and we'll keep providing you with content. Let us know if you want to see anything in particular, because I'm just doing what I think of, doing what's simple. We're keeping it simple. We're trying to help the home chefs out there, so keep it up. And yeah, thank y'all so much. We really do appreciate it. We really do appreciate it.
Yeah.
And Zach here. Awesome. We love y'all.